What's going on, everyone? Yes, I crushed the box. Just because this 12th Doctor sonic screwdriver, lights and sound. So this is not character option. So this is Surreal Entertainment, officially licensed by Doctor Who. So that's the blue sound effect when you click it 2 times down. Blue sounding when you just hold it once. Let's see here. Look at that. Look at that. The details are actually really cool. So, yeah. That's it. I guess it's not the Chrome edition that you had though. And then here's another comparison with my 14th Doctor. And you extend it. Yeah, it's still shorter than that one. Okay. There you have it, everybody. And like always, please subscribe to the channel for more Doctor Who and nerdy episodes, reviews, and stuff. Okay, bye.